Hey, what's up guys, Shawnee Sec here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crack passwords using John the Ripper. So to follow along with this tutorial, you're of course going to need John the Ripper. This comes pre-installed on Kali Linux, or if you don't already have this installed, you can find a link to download John the Ripper in the video description. Okay, for this tutorial, we're going to be using John the Ripper to crack a password on an encrypted RAR file, but you can also use the same method to crack a zip file. First, we're going to need to create an encrypted RAR file. So to do this, you want to add a folder to your desktop. You can name it anything you want. I'm going to name mine Crack Me If You Can. Nice, you can see that's our folder there. Next, you want to just add some content to this folder. I'm going to go ahead and add a text file, but you can add anything you want here. So I'll just put some stuff in a text file and save it to that location. Okay, nice. So now you can see inside our folder we have a text file and we're ready to create an encrypted RAR file. To do this, next you want to just open up your terminal, change your directory to your desktop. This is cd desktop, and then from this terminal you want to put zip-e, the name that you want to create your zip file using. I'll call it crackmezip.zip, and then the file that you want to encrypt. So I'll set this as crackmeifyoucan / just text. Okay, so here you can see it asks us to enter a password to encrypt it with. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna stick with a simple password and just use 123. This is of course because longer passwords, more complex passwords, will take more time to complete. So just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm gonna use a very simple password. Now we've got a zip file here. If you look inside, you can see this lock. Of course, if you want to extract it, try and extract to desktop, it asks for a password. I'll go ahead and enter the incorrect password, which is 321. That's opposite. Of course, an error occurred while extracting files. So now we're going to go ahead and get the actual password from this file using John the Ripper. So the first thing we want to do is pass the encrypted file to John the Ripper. We do this through the terminal using the commands zip to John, and then the name of our zip file, crackmezip.zip, and then we just want to specify a location for John to save a hash for the file. I'll just name this hashsave_here.txt. Okay, so after running that, you can see it's created a new text file on our desktop called hashsave_here.txt. If you just open this up, you can see here's a hash for the encrypted file. So lastly, to get the password out of this, all we have to do is pass that text hash, this hash that's saved in a text file, back to John. And we do this just through John -- format, set the format to zip, and then just specify the path of the hash. So hashsave_here.txt. Okay, as you can see here, it gave us an error, no password hash is loaded, see FAQ. This is a frequent error that happens. This is because for the zip file, sometimes it doesn't require you to specify the format. So I'll go ahead and type that again without specifying the format, and it should work. So here you can see the output log from John. The main part we care about is here, which is where it gives the password 123. And we'll just go ahead and try that on our zip file now. Password required for crackmezip.zip. We'll type in 123. As you can see, extraction completed successfully. So that's the correct password and everything. Of course, if your password is more complex, this will definitely take a longer time to crack. Anyway, that's going to be all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or need any help with this tutorial, feel free to drop a comment under the video. I'll try to reply to all comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more penetration testing videos.